Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my chunky knit pillows. I'm going to start off with some cotton tube yarn, and I create a loop and I make sure that it is secured. I'm going to create a total of 9 loops. It is totally up to you how many you'd like to make. I found that 9 loops creates a 17 to 18 inch square pillow. By the way, these are available on my website, shophoukreations.com, which I will have linked in the description box below. Once you do that, you're going to create more loops through the loops that you already created. You should have a total of about 16 loops. And I'm going to repeat that again and just keep creating more loops all the way around. The view here is pretty much the top of the pillow, so the next thing I'm going to do is fold it over and just keep looping the tube yarn through. I'm going to repeat this step for about 11 to 12 rows total. The number of rows is completely up to you. Once I'm done, I'm going to stuff the pillow insert inside to make sure the pillow has some volume, and the next step is to close it up. Make sure the loops on opposite ends of the pillow touch. If they do not, you're going to have to create a couple more rows. I'm measuring out the cotton tube about 3 times the length of the pillow, and then you're going to cut it. With the yarn now cut, take the loop where you would create a loop, but instead of making one, just run the entire yarn right through it. Then take the 2 loops that are above it and run the entire yarn through it again. Then you're going to flip your pillow upside down and then take the 2 loops again and run the yarn right through it. And then you're going to repeat this step until your pillow is all closed up. Once the pillow is closed, you can create a small knot and then just tuck the excess yarn inside the pillow. And the pillow is now complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My pillows are available at shophowcreations.com, linked down below in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!